What's the meaning of chaser? Chaser. Chaser.
Chaser. Chaser. The word chaser has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One definition refers to a drink consumed after a shot of liquor to help eliminate the strong taste. Another definition is a person or animal that pursues someone or something. In a different context, a chaser can refer to a tool used for cutting threads into a material. Overall, the term chaser typically refers to something that follows or complements another thing, whether it be a drink, a pursuit, or a tool.